Usumbur Menteri Rangba Kejela ubah kami ikutnat transport ubah senyap halang dhar. Hene kesi arp sautrik leber upentip bekesor karjela sien kan penmi ikajing penbenaban penteri kamno ia ka speed limit haki surak beper kenang ban yadai ki mensim brio bat ban penduna na ki jingja accident kali bat ban wanra ka jing shngai na ka benta baro ki nong lek nong wan. Habakren syakilat pathai kubor ubah senyap halang ulaong ba ula dep khot penlong ya ke jingelang bat baro kitnat ki badan benta ha ka bayade bat ka road safety ne ke jing shingan ha ki surong ulaong ngilapen kre halor gane bat hapok ka ar ne lai bnai ngien sala ban penmi ya ke jing penbena ha ka bayade bat uput ne ke benta ke jing nya stat ya ki kali ha ki surok baper ha ki jaka sor bat ki surok ba Ngi kenturu ia ketenat pulit bahkan penti kenaban perking ha kebayade bet kejing penher stat palat iki kali ula benram. Nalor keta usumbut Menteri Rangba upentip ru bala betha ya barok ki tenat terekam ki badan benta bakin syim ya barok ki sinjam bantek lakam ki jingja accident ha ki jaka bala itu kum ki jaka ki baju jiab ha ki jingja accident. Ki don ki jaka ha kaba ki jingja accident ki juja kha bat ngila betha halor kilat ban penbet kenang ban penti kena ye ke jing dona ke jingja accident haden habut ulaong.
The outcome is good because all the related department they have trying their best to cooperate and coordinate with the other line department. Yes, maybe not up to the mark, but they are working very hard, and we are insisting them to work harder, so at least to make sure that there will be less accident on the road in future. That you see, yes, when the report is there, so yes, there is few locations which accidents frequently happen, so we suggest that we see what we should do, what corrective measures should be there. For example, if there is any in the near the school, we advise them to put rubber strip, speed breaker, and if there is any cough which is frequently accident to place, we advise them to see how to correct the place. Something that is always to prevent accident. Yes, exactly today we discussed that. Not only to the two-wheelers, even for the vehicles, we request the police to make sure our speed should be strictly prohibited. Speed limit is different from state to state, and we are working on it. Because different road, different stretch, different. You see, for example, the plain area and the hill area is different, but we are working towards that also. It's exactly in the towns different speed, in the cities different speed, in the rural different speed, in the highways different speed. We are working on it. We are working towards that. Maybe in a matter of 2-3 months, we'll be able to come with notification to notify this is the speed limit for a particular road or for a particular junction.